Welcome everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to show you complete step-by-step guide to Amazon affiliate marketing. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a complete beginner, this tutorial will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. Also, I am going to share some tips along the way to help you make sure that you get the most out of the affiliate program. So, let's start by heading over to any browser. For example, I am using Chrome. Then search for Amazon Affiliate Program. And here comes the first website, that is Amazon.in Associate Central, and the second is the Amazon.com Associate Central. Now, important point is that every country has its own website and account, for example, India, USA, Canada, Australia, and many others. So we have to sign up for different countries, and the procedure for making the account is pretty much same. Let's click on the Amazon.com Associate Central website, and here it is showing us 3 steps. First one is to sign up, second step is to recommend, and the third step is where we are going to earn money. So we have to click on the sign up button, and this will ask us to sign into Amazon by entering our email ID and password. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in. If you don't have any account, you can create a new one. Just like I am creating a new account by clicking here on the Create Your Amazon Account option. Now here, we have to enter our details, like our name, our email, and password. So after entering the details, we have to click on Create Your Amazon Account. Now we have to enter our OTP, which has been sent to our email ID. A new page is here, and it has 4 steps to go through. The first step is about account information. The second is about listing websites and mobile apps. The third is about setting up a profile. And the last one is starting to use Associate Central. To start with the first step, we need to fill in some account details like the payee name, address, city, state and postal code. The country is already chosen. It also asks for a phone number after entering the details. Finally, click on the next button to proceed. After that, we're required to provide a list of all the websites and social media platforms where we intend to share our affiliate links. The instructions state that list all the top-level websites and mobile apps on which you plan to display banners, widgets, special links, or other ads from Amazon Associates. You need to list at least one website or mobile app. You can add your YouTube channel, or any websites you own where you want to post the affiliate link. For example, I am adding the link of my YouTube channel, Teach Me Tips. At the bottom of the page, we're asked if any of our traffic sources or social media platforms are primarily directed at children under 13. Since ours aren't, we'll confirm that. Moving on, there are a few more fields to fill out. The first one is your preferred associate store ID, which is a unique link or code identifying you with your links for tracking purposes. Let's use Teach Me Tips for ours. Next, we have to tell them about the content we create, like I create YouTube tutorial videos. Coming down here, they ask us that which of the following best describes your content, like blog, comparison shopping engine, content or niche website, or search. So we are going to select the search option because our content is search based. They are asking about how we got to know about them. So we will select blog post, or you can select whatever you want to. Complete the CAPTCHA and agree to the terms by checking the box at the bottom and then click on Finish. Now at this point you can see our Amazon Associates ID has been created here. It's written congrats, Teach Me Tips, thank you for applying to the Amazon.com Associates program. Your unique ID is Teach Me Tips 20. It's recommended that you copy this ID and save it somewhere, as in future we may need to occasionally provide this associate ID. Generally, this application takes some time to review. By the meantime, we have been granted full access to the Associate Central platform 24 hours a day. Now, this next sentence is crucial to note, that if your affiliate links have not referred qualified sales after 180 days, your application and access to Associate Central will be withdrawn. Additionally, it's essential to transparently disclose your relationship with Amazon to customers whenever you use affiliate links. Below, you have the option to enter your payment and tax information which you'll need to do eventually. However, you can skip this step for now and do it later after successfully setting up our account. We have been redirected to the Amazon Associates page, where in the top right corner we can see our store ID and our email ID, which we used to sign up for this account. Scroll down, and here are some overview of our last 30 days, which include our earnings, total fees, total bounties, and total click. It's our new ID, so everywhere it's 0. We can also see our summary here for the past 30 days. More detailed reporting options are accessible under the Reports section. Moving on to the Tools section and selecting One Link, we discover a new feature introduced by Amazon. This tool aims to simplify the process of monetizing international traffic across specific Amazon Associate programs. While it doesn't cover all regions, yet Amazon is gradually expanding its coverage. We just scroll down here to get started, and by clicking on Add Countries, we can choose the countries we wish to link with our Amazon account. So we've gone ahead and selected them all here now. I'll hit Next, and we can see that we've now got those listed here. Click on Accept these terms and services and hit the Submit button. And we can see we have successfully configured our store ID with all the selected countries. However, on the New tab, if we open the Amazon official website, we'll notice an additional side stripe bar across the top. Now, let's find a product to generate an affiliate link for. For instance, let's say we want to promote a pen drive. All we need to do is to simply search for that product. Open any item, click on Get Link at the top here. This action automatically generates a unique affiliate link embedded with our store ID and tracking information. Additionally, it provides a short URL for easy sharing. We can also access the full link here, but you can see it's so lengthy. We can copy this short link and paste it into various places, like our blog or YouTube video descriptions. This streamlined process makes it convenient for us to share affiliate links wherever we interact with our audience, whether it's on our blog YouTube channel or any other public platform. Amazon maintains one of the strictest sets of terms and conditions for affiliate programs, so it's crucial to familiarize yourself with their operating policies and terms of service. There are a couple of key considerations to keep in mind when using Amazon affiliate links. Firstly, if you're using redirect links, it's essential to clearly disclose that these links are directing users to Amazon. Secondly, there are limitations on where you can promote your affiliate links. They must be shared on public-facing platforms or websites accessible to the general public. You can't use affiliate links in emails, books, PDF documents, or on restricted websites. This ensures that Amazon can track and monitor the traffic generated by your affiliate links accurately. Also, avoid spamming affiliate links and instead aim to help people solve problems or address their needs. By adhering to these guidelines, you can ensure compliance with Amazon's terms of service and maximize the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing efforts. And here we complete our Amazon affiliate program guide. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Also subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you.